Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Your mama about Sandy Home Recipe. The next day, can I will share a video. Remember, if you subscribe, now I share, now I like, no me a notification bell. Say the video be better on Saturday. Ebeka. And the best one say be butter cake. That's Ghana cake. And the first, you be use 100-gram butter. Na then, what they rain then? A creamy. To rain use machine. The bay you sue your bank tened the bay creamy. It's all cream can I am now the 3 tablespoons sugar at the account. Now what creamy some or sugar near the anane. Creamy some sugar near then anane nabatan so I change color. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the notification bell to get new video you post. And to say na say then yes, to say sugar na the anane and I feel I am so come on. It's you know you 4 eggs. Enti ubo kosuani bia na ede wo de 1 tablespoon vanilla ede account na wa ede wa rest wuni machine nte we de wo be use whisk ede arrest itu be sa ama na ede aform foam nte ye foam ya ansa na ede wo be kwakogu cream na wo cream de da no ti na wo de agu cream na afede no so wa ede wa cream kakra ntu be gu mu little at a time ekosita mani na ede ebesa. Until we didn't fry and make cereal. Now you use 1.5 cup all-purpose flour, that's cake flour. Now the wood now the 1 teaspoon baking powder the alcohol. Until the can we are now 1 million I mix it. Hey, I will share a video. Remember, if you subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. No me a notification bell. Say the video be better on Saturday. Ebeka. Until then, I mix it every. Now condense milk I use 1.5 teaspoon condensed milk na ye den with the gum but I know a optional uni be aware the on fire the enka ho now the 3 tablespoon milk I the aka no so ye optional uni be on fire the enka ho no am mixing ni na o mix cereal now the 1.5 tablespoon rasin the aka no kwa optional pa on fire the enka ho na waka ni na de afa enti uwie a na wakohwe egu grease baking pan mu and we're baking 180 degrees for 35 minutes. And after 35 minutes, no way then where ye as you are not the woman ajo and son I the over serve. In fact, cake you a cake be a the pan. Say I will try ya and one a be say the ubedi. I think so very soft. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like and also click the notification bell to get new video we will post. Now this is our butter cake. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.